हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट, स्वागत है आपका। और आज हम स्टडी करने जा रहे हैं प्यारे बच्चों केमिस्ट्री सब्जेक्ट में। हमारा टॉपिक है प्यारे बच्चों आज ईथर। ईथर के लिए हम इससे पिछले वीडियो में हम बात कर चुके हैं नोमेनकल्चर के बारे में। नोमेनकल्चर हम पढ़ चुके थे और प्रिपरेशन मेथड हम इसमें स्टडी कर चुके थे। और आज हम बात करेंगे केमिकल रिएक्शंस की। केमिकल रिएक्शंस के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे डियर स्टूडेंट्स हम। केमिकल रिएक्शंस ऑफ ईथर। ईथर की केमिकल रिएक्शंस में सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस की। सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस की। नंबर फर्स्ट रिएक्शन रहेगी हमारे लिए सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन। सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन में हम फर्स्ट रिएक्शन स्टडी करेंगे प्यारे बच्चों। हमारे लिए फर्स्ट रिएक्शन रहेगी इसके अंदर हेलोजिनेशन। हेलोजिनेशन इन डार्क पैलेस। हेलोजिनेशन इन डार्क पैलेस। डार्क पैलेस में कैसे रिएक्शन कर सकते हैं, हेलोजिनेशन करते हैं डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आप देखोगे CH3 OCH2 CH3 मीन डाईएथिल ईथर हम यूज कर रहे हैं। डाईएथिल ईथर, डाईएथिल ईथर हम ले रहे हैं। और इसके बाद हम डाईएथिल ईथर के बाद में इसमें हम इसकी रिएक्शन करते हैं हेलोजन के साथ में। डार्क पैलेस में ये रिएक्शन होती है। हम जानते हैं कि ये अल्फा कार्बन और ये अल्फा डेस कार्बन, ठीक है। वी नो दैट फंक्शनल ग्रुप is ethyl, diethyl ether group. Ether is a functional group and alpha carbon is CH2 carbon and CH2 carbon. So dear friends, next topic is 2HCl removed in this reaction, 2 hydrochloric acid removed in this reaction, because alpha hydrogen removed and alpha dash hydrogen removed and 2Cl molecule removed and HCl molecule removed in this reaction, and product will be formed as CH3 CHCl, oxygen CHCl and CH3 alpha dash. 2Cl2 required in this reaction, 2HCl removed in this reaction, and product will be formed alpha dash diethyl. Product will be formed alpha dash dichloro diethyl ether will be formed. So dark place halogenation complete. Number B reaction is halogenation in presence of light. हेलोजिनेशन इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ लाइट। लाइट प्रेजेंस में हम हेलोजिनेशन करते हैं डाईएथिल ईथर CH3 CH2 ऑक्सीजन CH2 CH3 डाईएथिल ईथर react with halogens in the presence of light, 10Cl2 required this reaction, and total 10 hydrogen removed in this reaction, CH3 3 hydrogen, CH2 2 hydrogen and CH2 2 hydrogen and CH3 3 hydrogen. Total 10 hydrogen and 10 chlorine removed and 10 HCl molecule removed in this reaction, and product will be formed CCl3 CCl2 oxygen CCl2 and CCl3. When 3 hydrogen removed, 3 hydrogen replaced by 3 Cl atom, 2 hydrogen replaced by 2 Cl atom and 2 hydrogen replaced by 2 Cl atom and 3 hydrogen replaced by 3 hydrogen atom. Total 10 hydrogen removed and 10 Cl molecule removed in this reaction, and product will be formed CCl3 CCl2 oxygen CCl2 and CCl3. Name is perchloro diethyl ether. Perchlorodiethyl ether. Perchlorodiethyl ether will be formed in this reaction. So dear students, halogenation reaction complete. Halogenation in presence of light complete. And number second reaction is substitution reaction complete. Dear students, reaction due to number second reaction due to lone pair of electron of oxygen atom. Reaction due to lone pair of electron of oxygen atom mean reaction first is formation of peroxide. Formation of peroxide. Peroxide formation means CH3CH2O, CH2CH3 diethyl ether react with ozone or oxygen in presence of light, and one oxygen add oxygen lone pairs, and product will be formed CH3CH2 oxygen CH2CH3, and product will be formed diethyl peroxide. One oxygen add lone pair of oxygen, and a coordination bond will be formed, and product will be formed diethyl peroxide. Diethyl peroxide का formation हो जाता है प्यारे बच्चों. Next reaction number second reaction is formation of oxonium salt. So dear students, oxonium salt का formation करते हैं यहाँ पर हम, तो हम इसमें यूज करेंगे CH3CH2 OCH2CH3 lone pair present, and reaction with H2SO4. So dear friends, H positive and HSO4 negative, H positive and HSO4 negative. We are written H2SO4, H positive and HSO4 negative. So H positive add lone pair of electron present on oxygen atom. So CH3CH2OH, and HSO4 negative removed in this reaction. Oxonium compound will be formed, and other two H2SO4 molecule dissociate. In HSO4 negative, SO3 and H3O positive. So dear friends, CH3CH2 hold twice oxygen in diethyl ether react with SO3 sulfur trioxide, and product will be formed CH3CH2 oxygen SO3H, and product will be formed CH, SO3H, and CS3. And the next reaction is this compound CS3, CH2O, CH, SO3H, CS3, react with it. H positive, so product will be formed CH3CH2OH positive, CH, SO3H, CH3, so AH positive on oxygen atom. So formation of oxonium salt means oxygen electron density decreases and positive charge present on oxygen atom, oxonium salt formed. And other reaction is CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3 react with HCl molecule We know that H positive and Cl negative. H positive, add lone pair present on oxygen atom, and product will be formed CH3CH2 OH positive charge, CH2CH3 and Cl negative, oxonium salt. Oxonium salt will be formed in this reaction, and diethyl ether react with BF3 molecule, and BF3 add oxygen atom. Product will be formed CH3 CH2 whole twice, oxygen BF3, and trifluoroetherate will be formed in this reaction. So dear friends, formation of oxonium salt complete mean oxygen have a positive charge ऑक्सीजन पर प्रेजेंट होता है, इसको हम ऑक्सोनियम कहते हैं, ऑक्सोनियम कंपाउंड कहते हैं, और ऑक्सोनियम साल्ट का फॉर्मेशन होता है HCl की रिएक्शन हम करते हैं तब ऑक्सोनियम साल्ट का फॉर्मेशन हो जाता है, ठीक है। इसके बाद हम रिएक्शन करेंगे, लास्ट रिएक्शन हम इसमें केमिकल रिएक्शन जो है नंबर 3 केमिकल रिएक्शन पढ़ने जा रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स। थर्ड केमिकल रिएक्शन इन्वॉल्विंग क्लीवेज ऑफ CO बॉन्ड। रिएक्शन इन्वॉल्विंग नंबर 3 है reaction involving cleavage of CO bond. Reaction involving cleavage of CO bond. Number first method is reaction with HX. So dear students, CH3 CH2O CH2 CH3 diethyl ether react with HX molecule. HX mean hydrogen halide HX, and product will be formed CH3 CH2OH and CH3 CH2X, CH3 CH2OH and CH3 CH2X. Halide and alcohol will be formed in this reaction with HX complete. And next, G-cells method. G-cells method is the most important method for exam G-cells reaction. So dear friends, if 3-degree alkyl group or primary alkyl group present, then 3-degree alcohol form, 3-degree alkyl group form, halide, and 1-degree alkyl group form alcohol. So dear friends, according to G-cells method, if 3-degree alkyl group or 1-degree alkyl group present on compounds, then 3-degree alkyl group form halide and 1-degree alkyl group form alcohol. For example, CH3 OCH3 mean 3-degree group present. This group is a 3-degree group, and 1-degree group present. Then reaction with HX means HCl, HBr and HI. Reaction with the HX. So product will be formed, dear friends. Primary alkyl group form alcohol means CH3OH will be formed. CH3OH will be formed in this reaction. Mean primary alkyl group form alcohol H and CH3OH will be formed, and other product is tertiary chloride. Other product is tertiary butyl chloride means 3 degree group form halide and 1 degree group form alcohol. Alcohol and the halide will be formed in this reaction. So this will be if 3 degree alkyl group or 1 degree alkyl group present of compound, then 3 degree alkyl group form halide. जो 3 degree alkyl group होता है वो क्या बनाता है, halide का फॉर्मेशन कर देता है. 1 degree alkyl group form alcohol. 1 degree alkyl group जो होता है वो alcohol का फॉर्मेशन करता है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट नंबर सेकंड point of Giesel Vidhi is Giesel's method. Second point of Giesel's method is if secondary alkyl group or 1 degree alkyl group present in compound. If 2 degree alkyl group or 1 degree alkyl group present in compound, then 2 degree alkyl group form alcohol and 1 degree alkyl group form halide. So dear friends, if 2 degree alkyl group or 1 degree alkyl group present in compound, then 2 degree alkyl group form alcohol and 1 degree alkyl group form halide. Mean, for example, CH3CH2 or CH3 and CH3. Ethyl isopropyl ether. Ethyl isopropyl ether mean ethyl group is a 1 degree group and isopropyl group is a 2 degree group. So dear friends, reaction with the HX mean HBr, HCl, HI and product will be formed. Primary alkyl group form halide CH3CH2 Br mean Br and H bond dissociate and product will be formed CH3CH2 Br. Primary alkyl group form halide and secondary alkyl group form alcohol CHOH CH3 alcohol. Primary alkyl group form halide and secondary alkyl group form alcohol. So dear friends, Giesel's method complete. If 2 degree alkyl group or 1 degree alkyl group present in compound, then 2 degree alkyl group form alcohol and 1 degree alkyl group form halide. So dear friends, chemical reactions में third part जो था reaction involving cleavage of CO bond reaction with HX and Giesel's method complete. and आज का वीडियो हम यही कंप्लीट करते हैं. इसमें इस टॉपिक से क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए दिए जा रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन आप सोल्व करोगे प्यारे बच्चों. Question number first. To be prepared 3 degree ether by Williamson's ether synthesis. Williamson's ether synthesis. To be prepared 3 degree ether by Williamson's ether synthesis. Question number 2. Degree ether not prepared by 2 by reaction of 3-degree halide and sodium ethoxide. Why? ये स्टूडेंट सेकंड क्वेश्चन है आपके लिए 3 डिग्री ईथर नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड बाय रिएक्शन ऑफ 3 डिग्री हैलाइड एंड सोडियम एथोक्साइड. व्हाई? इसका क्या रीजन है ये आपको इसमें बताना है. एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज to be prepared secondary alcohol by Gisels method. To be prepared secondary alcohol by Gisels